Hello everyone, my name is Jevanjot and I am pursuing my BTech from PTU Kapurthala. Recently my college recommended me a 6-month industrial training course and software course, so I choose ThinkNEXT for both. It's for my STAAD.PRO and 3DS Max for software training, where I have done 6-month training and it was wonderful experience there. All the faculty members, especially engineer Gagan Babbar sir, we are very knowledgeable and had an interactive way of teaching. Various other fields of engineering software are provided here. During the period of 6 months, I learned a immense number of things in STAAD.PRO and Max as well as in the field of civil engineering, which greatly allowed me to expand my knowledge. So now I would like to recommend you the course from ThinkNEXT Technology. It's generally a great place to be if you have something to improve upon. Be a part of ThinkNEXT family to build a bright future. Thank you.